Honey girls, pop champagne, screaming fuck the world. Yeah, I'm 14, I didn't get my gun, fuck the world.
Hey guys, it's Fast Asia here. Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial on an everyday look. This would be my look if I was to wear makeup every day, but I don't. But I want to show y'all what I do with my makeup since I never did this on my channel by myself. We got some products here that I want to show y'all what I use for my face and my eyes and my lips. First, we're going to start off with our concealer and foundation. It's Milani. It's concealer and foundation. This is the only one I use. I feel like it's a great product for dark-skinned people. I love it. This concealer for my light tones on my faces, like my highlighted areas. Perfect for that. Elf primer. Obviously, we're going to put this on top of my face before everything else because we need that. We need our face moisturized before we do our makeup. This too, to conceal all these spots on my face. When I do put my concealer on, it doesn't show all the imperfection. These for my eyes, I have Ioni's volumizing black mascara, and then I have Ioni's eyelash glue for their lashes. I have so many Ioni lashes, I just keep reusing them. For this look, a simple look, I'm going to use some small lashes. These are little tiny ones for under my under eyes to make it look more So we're gonna use two different eyeliners, and I got this one, black ink, to just line it out. Then I'm gonna fill it in with the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. Hard Candy Smoke Out THC palette, inspired by that. A View 10 color eyeshadow palette from Shawnee's. Shawnee's is on Amazon. Look them up. They do a big package with all types of different eyeshadows, brushes, all that. Shimmery nudes. If you want to learn about more Shawnee's, I can show you what I got from my collection. Highlighter, we're going to use Beauty Creations Choose Happy blush duo set. It comes with two different blushes. My lips, I'm going to just do a regular gloss. But this is a lip plumper gloss from Beauty Creations. I got it from the TikTok shop. Brushes I'm going to use today are from Shawnee as well. If you guys want to learn about that. Shawnee brushes. I get started doing my makeup and let's do this. I forgot to mention this in the beginning of my video, but for my face, I use LA Colors powder. These are the ones I use to set my foundation and stuff. And I heard that the Puff Puff Pass kimchi setting powder is the best one, so I'm waiting to get that. Another thing I forgot, I keep forgetting things, is I use this Ayani brow gel after I'm done putting my foundation on. Lighten up my eyebrows and make them more glossier because the powder in foundation covers my eyebrows. I don't really do too much on my eyebrows. I used to darken them back in the day, but I don't really like doing too much on my eyebrows. Just put brow gel and that's it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my hair.
Fucked up, shouldn't even have to justify. I get it, I'm on your side. Guys get their way all the time. Besides, pleasure not meant for one side.
I want to thank you guys if you stuck it out and watched the whole video. Thank you so much. And leave a like and subscribe if you liked my makeup video. I think I did pretty good. It's very simple and not too much. I love it. And I hope you do too. I love you guys. Have a good night or day. And